Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making Pani Popo Samoan coconut buns. Sounds complicated? It's not. You knead the dough, let it rest, shape it into balls, make this special coconut sauce on top using coconut milk. Before it goes into the oven, you put it on top. It comes out delicious. Have I made this before? No. Am I looking for something very summery? Yes, because it's wintertime here. So let's go ahead and make these delicious buns, which will be hearty and slightly sweet. I cannot wait to taste them. We're also making them because wouldn't it be nice if we could all eat Pani Popo Samoan coconut buns? Oh yeah, we're gonna eat them. You better believe it. Add all the dough ingredients, 3½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup special dry milk, 2¼ teaspoons yeast, 3/4 cup of lukewarm water, 2 large eggs, 4 tablespoons softened butter, 1½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix for 5 to 7 minutes. Once done kneading, it will be very sticky. Go ahead and put it in a lightly greased bowl. Let rest room temperature until it is almost doubled, about an hour. In the second phase, go ahead and grease a 9x13 pan, just slightly, and lightly grease your surface as well. Got nice and puffy. We're going to divide this into 12 equal pieces, and I'm doing this mathematically and weighing it. Just deflate it a little bit. I'm looking for about 66, 67. That's good. Go ahead and form them each into a ball. Cover and let rise for 45 to 60 minutes. Halfway through, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now let's make this coconut sauce, which is going to go on top of the risen buns, which will then bake in the oven. Over medium-high heat, 1¼ cups of coconut milk, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1½ teaspoons cornstarch, pinch of salt. Stir constantly until thickened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Rolls got nice and puffy. Go ahead, pour that coconut sauce on top. I've never done this before with rolls, so this will be interesting. Into the oven for 18 to 25 minutes until they're all golden brown and the internal temperature is that magical 190 degrees. Let's check them. Ooh, wow. Let's take a look. We are there. Let's take them out. They look so good. And you know what? We get to eat these buns warm. Yum. These are hot, so I'm using glove, but let's take them out. Oh, lovely. Check this out. Do you see that glisten? It's from that coconut sauce we made, that topping. The rolls absorbed all of the sauce up. There is no extra sauce around. It's all in the buns. Let's taste it. Ooh, so moist. Look at that, sticking to my fork. Oh, wow. You can see the interior is nice and fluffy. Mmm. We are done. These are delicious. These taste like a sweet bun, but not too sweet. They're just right. They just add a little bit of sweetness in, almost like a sweet brioche because they're very eggy and fluffy and just delicious. You know those Hawaiian buns that you could get at the supermarket? Well, these are much better and maybe not even as sweet. Serve them with dinner, serve them by themselves, serve them with a salad. You could serve them with dessert with some fruit on the side and whipped cream. Oh, the possibilities are endless. If I can make Pani Popo Samoan coconut buns for the very first time with you watching me do it, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram and let me know your recipe requests.